मम देव देव आश्रतो मा शरदमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृतो मा अमृतंगमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्य देवो भव अतिथिदेवो भव। सखा तुम्ही हो माता पिता तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही हो साथी तुम्ही सहारे कोई न अपना शिवा तुम्हारे। तुम्ही हो साथी तुम्ही सहारे कोई न अपना शिवा तुम्हारे। तुम्ही हो नैया तुम्ही। Medical college, but introduction to us, it will be that she is a Montessorian. She has started her school and she is really working hard. I have never seen a hard working person like her. And then Vittal Bandari is a great friend of ours, and all these prizes we get it from him. We get inspired to give these better prizes to these children for years. About 3-4 years we are doing those prizes for these children. And now the parents are there. They are in wedding dress. You can make their wedding dress. After that, I think to make wedding parade. And the one who is the greatest inspiration for me, whatever you are seeing today. Without him, I may not have started this institution. I could have practiced my Montessori. He has given me this idea of having graduation day and all these sports and other things, Vasant Panchami, that really I am inspired by him, and he is the real Montessorian, you can say. What is the definition of real Montessorian? Who can tell me? Anju, Ushaji, what is the definition? Very indirect presentation, no? That you are doing everything indirectly, not directly. And he is a person who has done everything, but in front I am there, but he is doing everything. That's the thing. And thank you so much. Let us see what all we will do today. Before his marriage, I know him. These two gentlemen, Vidul Mukherjee and James, we know them before marriage, and they decided to put their child as soon as they get married and have a child. And these children are with us, and Nishu is passing out this time. And a friend of mine is here, who's this Gundumani, I call the child. I feel that I could not take him. He came, I believe, and I refused that we should come to see him.
Rita? What's it? Vishalia? Surya, please come. Husaifa.
Mommy Daddy was getting ready with the wedding. Bush.
बीनाए बाबे गया सब गीला गीला गना गुरु चंदन की सागर में सुख क्या है फिकर तोरी तारे नन की सागर में सुख गया है फिकर तोरी तारे नन की मेरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर उलट भयो मरी नयन की मोरी लागी लगना गुरु चरण की मोरी लागी लगना गुरु चरण की मोरी लागी लगना गुरु चरण की। सारे गामा पाता नी सा सा नी दा पा मा गा रे सा हरि की गीता में गाऊं कैसे हरि की गीता में गाऊं कैसे काटू नहीं ज्ञाना शूरा दा दादा हरि की गीता में गाऊं कैसे अपनी दुखवा कैसे बताऊं अपनी दुखवा कैसे बताऊं दीना ही नाम में तुम्हारी की गीता में गाऊं कैसे काजू नहीं ज्ञान हरि की गीता में हरि की गीता में हरि की गीता में गाऊं कैसे।
हमको मन की शक्ति देना मन विजय करे दूसरों के जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे हमको मन की शक्ति देना भेद भाव अपने दिल से साफ कर सके भेद भाव अपने दिल से साफ कर सके दोस्तों से भूल हो तो माफ कर सके झूठ से बचे रहे तो सच का दाम बढ़े दूसरों के जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे हमको मन की शक्ति देना मुश्किलें पड़े तो हम पे इतना करम कर मुश्किलें पड़े तो हम पे इतना करम कर साथ दे तो धर्म का चले तो धर्म पर खुद पे हौसला रहे तो मर्द से डरे दूसरों के जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे
Everybody agree with it? Say. Very simple quiz.
Daddy has to sit this side and mommy has to sit on that side.
You'll have points, that's why. And I want one of you all to write down the points. Are you all ready? Okay. No rules, enjoy it. Country. World's smallest country.
Vatican City.
The question was for team A. If they pass on the question, only then you can answer.
Somebody said Fiji over
Okay,
here.
1 point for team A. Mummy's A. Mummy's team. Of war had a month named after him. What is this?
March.
Which month? Which is the planet? What is his name? Huh? Nice. So I gave you the clue. He's so famous for writing. Easy, yeah. Which metal costs 3 times as much as gold?
No.
Right. You will be buying that for your wives, I know. Was said to be unsinkable but sank on its first.
Ah,
All simple questions for them. Okay, now it's know your city. How well you all know Bangalore? Okay. So question for Daddy's team. Who is the founder of Bangalore? Who answered it? Good. Okay. Now question for Mummy's team. What was Bangalore formerly called? How easy. Okay, now for you. Tipu Sultan, right? Okay, the quiz comes to an end. Thank you.
I know who did not. That's not my word.
Who invented Rasgulla? Or Rasgulla maker, can you say? Thank you so much. Some billions. Okay, thank you. And write down. And what are all aunties' names? Full name. Full name. Vidya auntie. Vidya auntie. Pet name.
Uday Shankar.
Okay. Katya was my full name. I'm not Sumitra. Yes, then in Mummy's side. Annamati. Who's full name?
Annama Jacob. Joseph. Ananya Vishwa.
And then another one, Ananya Vishwa.
Anula Jacob.
Okay. Then nobody else. I don't think any mini auntie I've got.
No pain.
No pen, it is okay, but full length. Acha, what is this? Our grandson, Avirup Mangalan's.
আমরা সবাই রাজা আমাদের এই রাজা রাজত্বে নইলে মোদের রাজা সনে মিলব কি শর্তে আমরা সবাই রাজা রাজা রাজত্বে, নইলে মোদের রাজার সনে মিলব কি সাথে। আমরা সবাই রাজা, আমরা যা খুশি তাই করি, তবু তার খুশিতেই চলি। আমরা যা খুশি তাই করি, তবু তার খুশিতেই চলি। নইলে মোদের রাজার সনে মিলব কি স্বার্থে। আমরা সবাই রাজা, রাজা সবারে দেন মান, সে মান আপনি ফিরে পান। রাজা সবারে দেন মান, সে মান আপনি ফিরে পান। মোদের কাটো করে রাখেনি কেউ কোনো অসতে, নইলে মোদের রাজা সনে মিলব কি স্বার্থে। আমরা সবাই রাজা, আমরা সবাই রাজা, আমাদের এই রাজা রাজত্বে, নইলে মোদের রাজা সনে মিলব কি স্বার্থে। আমরা সবাই রাজা, আমরা চলবো আপন মতে, শেষে মিলব তারি পথে। আমরা চলবো আপন মতে, শেষে মিলব তারি পথে। আমরা মরব না কেউ বিফলতার বিষমাবর্তে, নইলে মোদের রাজা সনে মিলব কি স্বার্থে। আমরা সবাই রাজা, আমরা সবাই রাজা, আমাদের এই রাজা রাজত্বে, নইলে মোদের রাজা সনে মিলব কি স্বার্থে। আমরা সবাই রাজা, সবাই রাজা, রাজা রাজত্বে, নইলে মোদের রাজা সনে মিলব কি স্বার্থে। আমরা সবাই রাজা, আমরা সবাই রাজা, আমাদের এই রাজা রাজত্বে, নইলে মোদের রাজা সনে মিলব কি On that farm he had some mammals, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some reptiles, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some fishes, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some birds, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some insects, E-I-E-I-O.
Can we have some words about this? Ma'am.
We are two-headed animals. We are warm-blooded. We gave birth to the young one. We have it on over our body. At birth, we drink milk from our mother. We can survive anywhere. For we. We are cold-blooded animals. We have rough, scaly skin. We are always born on land. We lay hard-shelled eggs on land. Who are we? Reptiles. We live in water. We breathe through our gills. We have tail over our body. Our friends help us to swim. We have feathers all over our body. Our hollow bones help us to fly high. We lay eggs in the nest. We fly with our wings. Who are we?
Birds, birds.
Birds. We are birds. We are very tiny creatures. We have 3 or more pair of joint legs. Yeah? No? We weigh 6. Who are we?
Growing. They have past childhood and they are going to the next steps. And I think they will do very well. But all my children, and this is the 50th this graduation day we are celebrating. Sorry, 15th graduation day. 15th I won't be able to participate. 15th graduation day I am celebrating. My first child, Shohan Ajit Maheshwara, he is in engineering college. He has become very shy, but the girl who is completing, I think, her graduation in BSc, where is Ashwini? She is in Ashwini's college, no? BSc. Shriyanka Shetty. She has promised me that at least 1 year she will come and help me. When she was very young, she was a great help for me. And she has said that at least for 1 year she wants to work with me. She may take any vocation. They are my tribe, and all of them are doing very well whenever I come in contact. I hope you people also will keep the contact with me, then I will see them growing. 3-4 years in life, very little time, but I am happy they remember one child called Akriti. She has said to do the, to call all those old students and they will work mopping, cleaning, folding, and I have to cook for them the aloo dum and gulab jamun. I am happy that they are remembering. Once again, thank you so much for bearing with me all these years. 21 in this year are passing out. One has gone to another school in between, otherwise it could have been the 22. Every year 22, 25, 22, 25 like that. And I only appreciate your faith on me. Thank you so much once again.
Come to the note of the music. Yeah, come on, madam. Thank you, thank you. Next comes Chirag's parents. Mrs. Sujata and Mr. Babu Reddy, please come. Chirag, come. Come, madam. Okay, hold your husband's hand also. Please come on.
शोभा क्या
Look for your wife, sir. Where is she? Come on, sir. Search. Hey, come on, Shriram. Sharanya's parents, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi and Mr. Raju. Madam, please come along. Shash's parents, Mrs. Sujata and Mr. Suresh. Come on, madam. Hey, come on. Shusham's parents. Uma, this is Uma and Mr. Sanjay Yadav. Come on, ma'am. Surya's parents. Mrs. Swarnalata and Mr. Sujay. Come on, ma'am. Look for your husband. Where is he? Sanika's parents. Mrs. Rekha and Mr. Ravishankar. Come on, ma'am. Come on, make it fast. Rahul is feeling shy. Oh, no, Rahul. Come on, Rahul. Hey, come on. Woo-hoo. Vaishali and Vaibhalya's parents, Mrs. Geeta and Mr. Prakash.
Go.
Go catch your riding mom. Vidatri's parents, Lokapavana and Mr. Kiran. Come on, man. Please come, sir. Man, come with your husband. Please wait. Please wait, at least now. Yashashwini's parents, Mrs. Ananya and Mr. Sumit. Yeah, come on, sir. Come on, man. Woo! The music is very slow. You have to come in a slow motion. Madam, come on. Yeah, come on.
চশমাটা খুলে বাঁধুন না, তাহলে ভেঙে যাবে চশমা।
You can sit in the mat, please. All of you, please come.
Ashwini, pick up the unused trays.
Stop cheating, sir. The cheating is going on.
Only three.
Second prize goes to Priya Krish. Mommy, daddy is not there, huh? But still you have earned the prize. Huh?
Well, your dad studying. Because my father and mother is coming. Going to my office, so I have to go. Okay. You can come either at morning or
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Very good morning to all the parents here. On the behalf of the parents, I just want to thank the whole team of Arnodia. And this bouquet is, Auntie, it's for the whole team of Arnodia who work towards the enrichment and the way my children are benefited out of the whole thing. I'm Ms. Usha Mohan and my children are Priya and Krish. And of course, we are doing it on behalf of the parents. We are trying to felicitate all the teachers. But I must say, whatever we are doing, it's very less as compared to whatever they have done to my kids and to all the children who are gathered here. Because my kids were with Auntie right from the age of 2. And the way she molded them, especially Krish, I don't know where Krish is, he was not opening his mouth at all. And we were wondering, like, being educationist, I'm an educationist for past 23 years. I'm in the field of education. I'm running a school also, an international school. But I've never seen a school like this, where they just molded the children in a very different fashion, where they don't put a lot of stress on the kids. And in spite of all that, I never taught a single day. I have not ever taught my children. And I think Priya has stopped. I mean, as far as Auntie was saying, she's the best out of the whole lot. So I think all the credit goes to all the aunties here who have done this, and especially Mrs. Mukherjee. Thank you very much. Thank you, each one of you. Yes. So this is only my duty, what I'm doing, but whatever they've done it out of pleasure. Thank you very much. Anybody is there? Please come forward. Even negative opinion also I want. I like it. If you criticize, we'll go for betterment. Everybody will say you are good, you are good, you are good. But if you say something, improve, please come forward and tell us. It is good for us.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Sharanya's father. Parenting, you all know, parenting is a very great task, and for which the result we get only after 15 or 20 years, after the children grow up. But the great task, the major share of the task is shared by Arunodaya, and we are really great. They are really great. We are really grateful for the results we have achieved. Their process of teaching, the children won't feel the difficult or what to say, that they are learning. They learn with pleasure. It will be a great pleasure for them to learn. Yes, with full of joy. As Auntie told, it is an indirect way of teaching. Montessori, the definition she gave, it's an indirect way of teaching. So first, usually traditional, they will be first told, yes, we are going to Mysore, like that. It's an example. But here, after going there, after visiting everything, after explaining them everything, then they will know that it is Mysore. That is a difference, and that is a pleasure of learning in Montessori. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good morning to everybody, all parents and children. It is a privilege to be here today, and such kind of fun and all other interesting games over here. But I must thank to Mr. and Mrs. Mukherjee for establishing this kind of organization. Although we are sometimes parents, we cannot take care of small kids, but the way they have brought up our kids and given all kind of support, who are the future, the citizen, rather they are the future of our nation, and they will be taking care of the entire nation. So that is initial, the groundwork is very, very important, which they have done for us, and we must thank everybody for participating in this occasion. Thanks everybody.
invited auntie, uncle, all the aunties, mausis and friends. It is a great privilege and a pleasure to be speaking today. At the outset, we should, on behalf of all the parents here, I thank auntie and uncle for the first step in starting the school, in sacrificing their lives, in giving the foundation, and in taking, I understand this is the first of its school in Montessori's. So hats off and a big clap for auntie and uncle in the beginning. And when we came for admission, we did not go to any other school. We came to auntie, if you remember that day, we said we've heard about the Montessori method of school teaching, especially Arunodaya, and we want that our child should imbibe all the qualities of a good student, which will lay the foundation for a very good citizen in future. And auntie agreed, and today I'm very happy that our child, on behalf, not only I am Manusha's mother, not only Anusha, each and every child here has shaped up so well. It is the abilities, that the potential of the child that comes out, be it in speaking English. The child comes without knowing how to speak English. The maths is excellent, the grasping power is excellent, the intellect is developed to such an extent. In fact, when the child goes out, they can recognize, they say, we got credit for this child. They said your child's mental capacity and capabilities is very sharp and very good. Hats off to Arunodaya Montessori and to all the aunties for their unfailing, unstinted and effortless smiling faces, always sacrificing their time and energy in bringing up the children. And all the other aunties also, our heartfelt, sincere gratitude to all of you all. We are very proud to be parents of Arunodaya Montessori potential and output. I want to give
I have nothing more to add. She has said everything. Like Mrs. Mohan said, when Anusha came here, she won't utter a word, not even English, even her mother tongue she wasn't speaking. And the way she talks now is amazing. I wish the kind of confidence that they have instilled here, we had when we were growing up. I remember after my graduation, I joined a company in Bombay as a management trainee. One of the exercises that they had given was public speaking. We could not address a gathering, we could not speak also. As a tip, they said that before addressing, you prepare your speech, you exercise your jaw like this, and then when you go address that, it will be easy. When I was called onto the stadium and on the stage, all I could do was do this. Not a single word came out of my mouth. Now, the mode of here, we need to teach the children how to talk less. The mode of communication, this thing, improvement this child has had. That is true for all the children here. My sincere thanks.
Actually, all the credit goes to Geeta to bring the kids here. I use internet a lot, but I never searched for Montessori. I never heard about it. And she was the one heard about. We went to Koramangala when they were 2.5 years. The main aim was to put them in a closer school. So we put them in a play school, and one day the school notes, they're very, just 2.5, the school center notes that write the kids 10 to 1 downwards. I just, almost fallen. How could I going to teach a 2.5 years old to write in 10 to 9, 8, then to 1? I said, no, this is the last day in this school. We don't want to put anymore. And lot of teaching, writing given at 2.5 years age. So immediately she started to look for a school. By the time we approached Little Kingdom, Montessori, they said, sorry, no more. It's all everything is over here. So we walked inside, the first person we met with the auntie, and I don't know, she just got interested by seeing these 2 kids, and oh, twins, okay, and she said no more admission here, but we talked to auntie and please take these 2, and definitely it's going to be helpful for us, and somehow it's an extra thing, she did. I know, that's the start of it, everything. I never bothered anything after that, and I'm not going to bother anything in life after this, because we never set any goal on them. They want to be like this, they want to study this, they want to come up like this. We never set a goal, and there's no need hereafter, and they're doing it themselves. I'm sure all the kids are doing the same way, and my only worry is how the next school going to take care of that. That's the biggest burden now, because the way the affection shown here, and every day we are talking how we are going to get the same thing in the next school. There's a major problem, and I think we have got to take it up, because there is no place here for the further thing. Auntie could come up with a bigger school, and have up to their complete life. They given us this fantastic. This is not the exaggeration. We all see, because we are all Montessori now here, there is nothing to explain about Montessori method, because all the parents know what the students are doing, and it's everybody's problem, I think, how to take it in the future. Thanks.
Big thanks to Auntie, because I met Auntie many times, and Auntie felt that this parent is involved, because we came very late. That's a mistake from our part. So later Auntie felt, okay, the parents are coming quite often, so maybe they are interested, and she gave admission. So lot of thanks to aunties and all the aunties. I thank each and every auntie, because they observe the child individually and give us the feedback that your child is doing good in this and she's lacking in this. This sort of feedback, that's what the parents expect. So that aunties are really doing great job giving back the feedback and taking steps next to how to improve. So I really thank all the aunties and Sumita auntie for bringing up our children so good. Thank you.
ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಂದಿರೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲರಾದಂಥ ಸುನೀತಾ ಮುಖರ್ಜಿ ಅವರೇ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿವರ್ಗರು, ಸುಮಾರು 4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ಚಿರಾಗ್ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿರಿಜಾ ಅವರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಳಜಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಆಂಟಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅವರು ಇನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ಮುಖರ್ಜಿ ಅವರು 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ವರೆಗೂ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಮೊದಲನೇ ದಿವಸ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡು ಜ್ಞಾನಮೂರ್ತಿ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿರಿಜಾ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲು SSLCವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಹೈವೇ 7ನಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿದೆ. 2-3 ಟೈಮ್ಸು ಸಹ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಪಾಪ ಏಜ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬೇರೆ ಫಾರಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನಾದರೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವರು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಂಟೆಸರಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ SSLCವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಂಟೆಸರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಹೆಸರು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಮುಖರ್ಜಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಮಾಂಟೆಸರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕು ಮುಖರ್ಜಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋದ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಏನೂ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರು. ಮತ್ತು ಈಗ ಚಿರಾಗ್ಗೂ ಸಹ ಮುಖರ್ಜಿದು ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ಎಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಟು ಸೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮುಖರ್ಜಿಯವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ 2 ಮಾತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Now Ashwini Avaru can translate it who is not understanding Kannada. Ashwini, please translate.
Chirag's father says the place is very small here, so he'll help in all ways to provide land for Sumita auntie to extend this Montessori till 10th standard, and he'll provide. He is requesting also to Sumita auntie that he'll be providing land and everything, but one approval from her, he is ready. So thankful to Chirag's father.
Actually, I didn't. Actually, I didn't get my graduation during that means LKG, UKG. My daughter got very beautiful graduation. I'm very thankful to Institute and Mrs. Mukherjee, Dr. Mukherjee and team. Really, it's not so easy to teach for children. I am also teaching music. My students will be 5 years till 75, 78 old students. And it's not so easy to teach a thing. So the method, the how, actually before my marriage, I was coming and teaching music for auntie and uncle. And I decided if I get married and I was surely I'll come and put here a thing. Because I was observing, even I don't know anything what my child learned. I am also student. I am master and student here. So after joining my child, even I learn a lot, myself and my this thing. So really I'm happy, and I'm sincere thanks to Mrs. Mukherjee and Dr. Mukherjee and all the team. Thank you very much.
We would like to thank Sumita auntie. Give this to auntie. You give this to further the school materials. Thank you. Next, we would like auntie to please come. You start with give this to. Give auntie. Come over.